Welcome to Festive Flavors. Today we are going to make a sandwich without turning on our stovetop. Yes, that's right. We will be making a refreshing and filling dahi or yogurt sandwich, which is extremely healthy as well as light. It's also great for kids as you can sneak in some healthy vegetables like carrots and cucumbers in it. A great afternoon snack or tiffin for office and school made in a jiffy. Please watch the video till the end to view the health benefits of yogurt or dahi, tips and tricks and the ingredients list. Also, please subscribe to the channel Festive Flavors and hit the bell icon to receive new recipe updates. Please share it with your family and friends. Please click the like button if you like the recipe. Also tell us what you think of this recipe in the comment section below. Do you want to be featured on Festive Flavors? Take a picture of a recipe prepared by you from our channel and tag us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. We will feature your picture and name in the upcoming videos. Let's look at the ingredients. Bread 4 slices, yogurt half cup, carrots 1/4 cup chopped fine, cucumbers 1/4 cups chopped fine, black pepper 1/8 teaspoon, coriander leaves 1 tablespoon finely chopped, salt to taste. Let's get started. Strain the yogurt by placing yogurt in a strainer so that excess water is drained. Cut the sides of the bread slices. In a bowl, add the strained yogurt. Add chopped carrots, cucumbers, finely chopped coriander leaves, black pepper and salt. Mix everything very well. Now on 1 slice of bread, spread the yogurt mixture. Cover it with another slice of bread. Cut diagonally. Yogurt sandwich is ready to serve. Make it beforehand and store it in the fridge for your next party or get together. Enjoy. Now let's look at the tips and tricks for making dahi sandwich. Trim the crusts of the sandwiches to create a clean look. Strain the yogurt to make a thick spread. Chop the carrots, cucumbers and coriander leaves very fine. Health benefits of yogurt or dahi. Yogurt is a superfood. It is a dairy product made by the lactobacillus bacterium fermentation of milk. Yogurt improves digestion by the probiotics in the yogurt. Good for bone health as it contains calcium, potassium and magnesium. It helps in weight management as helps in loss of fat. It improves brain health as the probiotics enhance the mood and the cognitive function. It lowers hypertension and cholesterol as it stops the creation of cholesterol in the arterial region. Let's look at the ingredients. The ingredients list is also given in the description box below. Please subscribe to Festive Flavors and click the bell icon to receive new recipe updates. Share it with your family and friends. Please click the like button below if you like the recipe. Also tell us what you think of this recipe in the comment section below. Next time we will come with a new video. Until then, happy cooking. Namaskar.